Hello and welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you exactly how to add HTML code to your Canva website. It is a very simple process, so let's get right into it. First, open up your browser and head over to Canva. Log into your account and open the website project you want to edit. For this example, we will be embedding a form, but this method works for many HTML integrations. Go to your form builder or HTML source, like Jotform for example, create or open the form you want to use, click on Publish, and then copy the direct link. Now let's head back to your Canva project. Look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Embed and select the Embed app. Next, simply paste the link you copied earlier into the provided field and click Add to Design. And that is it. Your HTML content is now directly embedded and visible on your Canva website. You can resize and position the element to fit your page layout perfectly. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to ClearTask, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.